In this video, I'm exploring the top 15 morning foods to eat, to kickstart your day with energy and vitality, because the foods you eat in the morning can make or break your energy levels for the rest of the day. You may also find yourself hitting snooze multiple times and struggling to get out of bed in the morning. That's why following a daily diet, including some of the best foods for breakfast, is essential to boost your energy and stay focused and alert for the rest of your day. As you savor your energizing meal, remember that every bite is a step towards a healthier you. As the old saying goes, you are what you eat. So, discover the top 15 morning foods that are quick, easy, and packed with important nutrients, and let's get started on making breakfast the best meal of the day. Number 15, whole wheat toast. Pairing your breakfast with whole wheat toast and a nutrient-rich avocado smear will energize and satisfy you until lunchtime. Whole wheat bread is great for breakfast, and is an excellent source of complex carbohydrates, providing a slow release of energy to fuel you throughout the day. It's also rich in fiber, which helps keep you full and satisfied, while avocado provides healthy monounsaturated fats to the body, decreasing inflammation and improving heart health. Number 14, spinach. Adding spinach to your eggs is one of the easiest and healthiest ways to enjoy spinach for breakfast. Scrambled eggs with spinach are a popular and healthy breakfast option that boosts energy and essential nutrients, like iron and vitamin C. You can also add spinach to your breakfast smoothies for a refreshing and energizing start to your day. Spinach is versatile, tasty, and full of the nutrients you need to power the body through your morning. Number 13, eggs. Eggs are another delicious and nutritious breakfast, and a great source of essential vitamins, minerals, healthy fats, and protein. Whether you prefer them boiled, scrambled, or fried, we can enjoy eggs for breakfast in many creative ways. Pairing eggs with spinach is a great way to start your day with a boost of energy. Still, you can also add other nutritious ingredients like mushrooms, onions, and bell peppers to create a flavorful and satisfying breakfast omelet. Plus, studies show that eating eggs for breakfast can reduce the likelihood of snacking between meals and help you feel fuller for longer. Number 12, almonds. Almonds are a great addition to your breakfast if you're looking for a quick snack and an energy boost. Like most nuts, they contain healthy fats, fiber, and protein, which can help keep you fuller for longer and improve your overall health. Almonds also contain magnesium, a crucial mineral in energy production, making them an ideal choice to start your day. You can toss them in your oatmeal, sprinkle them on top of your yogurt, or snack on them to get the most out of this superfood. Number 11, chia seeds. Chia seeds are a nutrient-dense superfood, and one of the best foods to provide a much-needed energy boost to your breakfast. These tiny seeds are packed with crucial vitamins, protein, fiber, essential antioxidants, and omega-3 fatty acids, making them an excellent addition to any morning meal. They help keep you full and satisfied throughout the day, and can also help regulate blood sugar and cholesterol levels. Sprinkle them on top of your oatmeal or yogurt, blend them into your smoothie, or use them as a nutritious egg substitute in baking recipes. You can also pair chia seeds with some whole wheat toast and a smear of nutrient-rich avocado to create a powerhouse breakfast that will keep you energized and satisfied until lunchtime. Number 10, salmon. Salmon is a powerhouse food source of omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin D, and protein. It can give energy and keep you feeling full throughout the day. Not only is salmon delicious, but it's also easy to prepare. You can grill, bake, or even eat it raw in sushi or sashimi. Plus, there are endless ways to dress it up with herbs, spices, and sauces. If you want a breakfast that will keep you full and energized, consider adding salmon to your morning routine. It pairs perfectly with a side of cottage cheese, another excellent protein and calcium source. Number 9, cottage cheese. It is another protein source and an excellent option, for those who prefer a savory breakfast or have lactose intolerance. A half cup of cottage cheese contains around 14 grams of protein and 94 milligrams of calcium. These nutrients work together to strengthen muscles, bones, and teeth. Moreover, cottage cheese is low in calories and carbohydrates, making it an excellent choice for those trying to lose weight. You can pair cottage cheese with fruits, nuts and seeds to create a nutrient-rich breakfast. For example, you can make a cottage cheese bowl, topped with blueberries, almonds, and chia seeds. Combining cottage cheese with salmon is another tasty combination that provides a protein-packed breakfast. Together they create a breakfast that is both satisfying and nutritious. Number 8. Bananas. Bananas are another great way to boost your energy during your morning routine, and they are one of the best foods for breakfast. They are a convenient portable snack, packed with nutrients essential for a healthy body and mind. Bananas are high in fiber, potassium, and vitamin C, making them a great addition to any breakfast meal. They also contain natural sugars, which provide a quick burst of energy to help kickstart your day. Pairing a banana with Greek yogurt and a handful of nuts can create a balanced breakfast to keep you full and energized until lunchtime. Especially if you're on the go, a banana is a quick and easy breakfast option that will keep you feeling full and energized for hours. Number 7. Smoothie bowls. These are another excellent choice, and a fun and creative way to benefit from the health benefits of fruits and vegetables, while allowing you to switch up your breakfast routine. Smoothie bowls are thicker smoothies, served in a bowl with various toppings like granola, nuts and seeds. They are perfect for those who prefer a sweeter breakfast with a nutritional punch. With various toppings like granola, nuts and seeds, smoothie bowls can help you stay fuller for longer and sustain energy throughout the day. Number 6. Dark chocolate. In moderation, dark chocolate can be an excellent addition to your morning meal. It contains antioxidants that can boost your brain function and mood, and has a lower glycemic index than milk chocolate, meaning it won't cause a spike in your blood sugar levels. Pair a few squares of dark chocolate with a source of protein like Greek yogurt, and you have a balanced breakfast that will keep you energized for hours. If you're feeling extra fancy, try melting some dark chocolate and drizzling it over a bowl of mixed berries and almonds for a breakfast that feels like dessert. Number 5. Protein shake. A protein shake can be a good choice for those who love quick and easy breakfasts, are always busy, and don't have time for a mid-morning snack. Making a protein shake is also incredibly easy. You only need a scoop of organic protein powder, your favorite fruit, and milk or yogurt, but you may also add some spinach or kale for extra vitamins and minerals. Protein shakes are flexible because you can add honey or maple syrup if you like sweet flavors. However, if you prefer something less sweet, add avocado or nuts for a creamier texture. Number 4. Avocado. Avocado is a versatile fruit that we can enjoy in various ways at breakfast. It contains heart-healthy monounsaturated fats and fiber, and this superfood can help keep you feeling full and satisfied until lunchtime. Additionally, avocados are an excellent source of vitamin C, K, and B6, essential for maintaining optimal energy levels. You can spread avocado on toast, use it as a base for your smoothie, or incorporate it into your eggs for a flavorful and nutritious breakfast. Number 3. Berries. They are delicious and packed with nutrients, making them a perfect addition to any breakfast. They contain crucial antioxidants and fiber, and can help improve digestion and keep your body healthy. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries and blackberries are all great choices. You can eat them alone, or add them to your favorite breakfast recipe. Adding some berries to your yogurt or oatmeal is another great way to start your day with a refreshing and nutritious meal. Another benefit of berries is that they are lower in calories than other fruits, making them a smart choice for people watching their weight. Number 2. Greek yogurt. It is an excellent choice for a nutritious and satisfying breakfast. It is high in protein and packed with gut-healthy probiotics, that can aid digestion and support a healthy immune system. Greek yogurt is also lower in sugar, and contains calcium and vitamin D, crucial for maintaining strong bones. To make your Greek yogurt breakfast even more energizing, top it off with sliced fruits like bananas or berries, a handful of nuts or seeds, and a drizzle of honey or agave nectar. Number 1. Oatmeal. A bowl of oatmeal is a breakfast classic, and the number one and probably the best choice for breakfast, for a reason. Oats are an excellent source of protein, fiber, and complex carbohydrates, providing sustained energy throughout the day. Plus, they're easy to customize with toppings like fresh fruit, nuts and seeds, so you can switch up your breakfast routine, without sacrificing convenience. So choose wisely, and reap the benefits of sustained energy and focus, because whether you're in the mood for a savory or sweet breakfast, there's no doubt that you can find a recipe that suits your taste and energy needs. Incorporating the right foods into your breakfast routine can make all the difference in your energy levels throughout the day. By choosing these 15 best foods, you can jumpstart your day and stay focused and alert. So, what do you prefer to eat for breakfast? Tell us in the comments below. Be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for upcoming videos, where I'll share more tips and insights on healthy eating and natural herbal remedies for overall health and wellness. Also, if you're curious about how to prevent heart attack and stroke by 80%, with the 15 best foods for heart health and reduce heart attack risk naturally, watch the video on the left. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay healthy and keep exploring the wonders of nature's remedies.